Hi, this is Steve Gold for Real Time with IPC Midwest. Joining me is Tim Nolte. He's the Director of Global Marketing for BPM Microsystems. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks, Steve.
You know, it's only been about 3 weeks and a totally different show. You know, we were in NEPCON, South China, Shenzhen, people flowing everywhere, and we spoke to a gentleman who was pretty excited about your Flashstream programmer.
Correct.
So tell me a little bit about what excitement that would generate in this market.
Well, you know, this product is mainly a dedicated flash programmer, and you know, the electronics industry has had a need for fast programming of flash devices. Anybody who's doing a lot of in-circuit programming, also and they're also doing programming of devices at ICT for flash memory devices, can really benefit from this technology. It's really a breakthrough in the amount of speed that you can get with the flash memory programming, whereas we've had a customer case recently where somebody was doing it through a JTAG port at the end of his line during tests, and we were able to do that same, what it was taking him almost 10 minutes per chip, per board, we were able to cut that down to almost 3.4 seconds. So the time of the time reduction you're seeing is just huge and phenomenal.
Right, which here is.
And right, yeah, time is money, and that is just really a, you know, it's really a fun selling product when you can solve somebody's, you know, a problem that somebody really has, getting throughput out there. And you know, most of the flash devices that are on the market today are about 50% of them are consumed in the Asian market, and about 25% of that is done just solely in China. And you know, the Chinese reaction to this product has been really huge because, you know, they're making all the products that really use flash, you know, like the consumer products and like the mobile phone products and things like that can really benefit from this type of technology. But of course, everybody in the electronics industry can benefit because flash is being utilized by more engineers and designed into more places.
I was going to ask you know, what kinds of products do you see here that, you know, if there was a renaissance for flash, what would we look for?
Well, I mean, you would be looking for anything that's using a high volume flash inside of it. The design aspects are pretty much endless, but as you know, I mean, nothing is getting less complex. It's getting more complex. It's needing more memory, more power inside the chips. It's needing, you know, this extra horsepower, and that's just driving, you know, that chip growth, and the bit volume growth that you're getting on these chips is phenomenal. So, you know, we're pretty excited and really optimistic about how this can, you know, revolutionize some of the market, because if you imagine, you know, you don't have to worry about the limits of the size of your device anymore. You can now design in a huge chip, and, you know, if you've watched any of the flash memory items that's going on in the market today, you know that these chips are getting cheaper and cheaper every day. There's a huge volume of these just going out into the marketplace. So now designers can really take advantage of those cost savings without really hampering their production lines by designing something that's non-manufacturable in mass. So, but, you know, as far as the Americans concerned, there's tons of design work still going on in the U.S. And, you know, our product is really scalable to for the type of environment we have here, which is a lot of design being done in the U.S. and a lot of stuff being transferred overseas or to lower labor markets. We have a small system that can be put on an engineer's desktop. He can pretty much design everything, lock it, test it out, test the chip, and then one of our larger systems can be actually doing the programming a world away. He can actually email the file straight to his production people, making changes on the fly, and keeping his inventory low. So there's tons of benefits that we see in this product, and our overwhelming response both in the U.S. and in China has, you know, proven that.
Well, let's switch gears a little bit. You know, we're here at IPC Midwest. It's the first one. So, what do you think? Is it going to work, or?
We really enjoy it. You know, we are mainly focused on the electronics industry, and you know, AT Expo was the show that was around in Chicago last year. It's still here, it's still there, but everybody's talking about the quality of the people. We're really reaching the target market that we want to reach at this show, and we're really excited about it. We think it'll just continue to grow, right. And it being almost exactly 6 months from the Apex show, I think it's a great draw for the people who want to sharpen their skills in some of the conferences too. And I think it'll become more and more popular.
And I would think that next year you might not have, I mean, clearly there was confusion, I thought you guys were over there, or that sort of thing in the marketplace. That'll probably be a lot better.
That'll probably be a lot better. I think any first year of any show is going to have those issues, but we're really happy with the turnout of the people and the quality of the people we're talking to, and we've heard several people selling machines on the floor, and those people are solving the customer's problem. They came here not only to learn something, but maybe solve a problem they have.
Well, it seems to me that this whole regional setup is a little bit more conducive to just conversation. You can sit and talk. You don't have to, at Apex or Prototronica in a couple of months, it's going to be, I've got to go here, and here.
Right,
no time to talk.
This is a lot more relaxed, and the people have been really pretty open. There hasn't been a lot of, I don't think anybody's been doing any kind of high pressure selling or anything. I think people genuinely come, they have issues, they come here, they want solutions.
Right.
And I think that's something that's really benefits everybody.
Well, I really do thank you for stopping by once again.
It's good talking with you.
This is Tim Nolte. He's the Director of Global Marketing for BPM Microsystems. I'm Steve Gold for Real Time with IPC Midwest. Thanks for watching.